You're a wee Disney bunny. Wee Disney bunny. Love the wildlife. Hi. So this is Friday night. We're just heading to Epcot, going to Via Napoli. We've got dining reservations for, I think it's 8 o'clock. For 8 o'clock. So we're just heading round. We'll maybe try and get on a couple of rides as well. Maybe try and do Frozen and stuff for the wee man. He liked that the other night. We've got maybe Walmart after dinner tonight. Maybe go for something to eat and then go for some bit of shopping. Or we might just go to Mouse Gears and shop there for a while. He's too nuts. So we're just walking right now to the TTC to get to Epcot. Wee lizard. Wee lizard. Lizards and squirrels everywhere. So I'll let you know what we do when once we get there, and I'll take you around with me. We're going to go to get the boat across as well, from the middle right across from Epcot. So I'll let you know how we got on. The Pago, this is another DVC building. This is one of the ones that they were trying to put us in when we arrived. But we wanted one, we always want the Tokyo. It's the one we prefer because it's straight across from the pool. Means we can go and fill our drinks. Plus it's the first time we were in there, we loved it, so we just didn't want to change. It's closer to the main building. You can walk down, you get the boat, and you're just right in between everything. So you just take a walk down to the TTC just now to get the monorail to Epcot. As I said, we've got reservations at 8 o'clock for Via Napoli. Going to get a big pizza. Big pizza, and I think it's risotto balls or something like that, I'm not sure. Take a walk round and see what else we can do. We're going to do illuminations tonight because we'll maybe not have another night to do illuminations. We'll get our merchandise for the t-shirts, for the farewell illuminations cups and fridge magnets and badges and whatever it is else we can do. So we'll do that tonight, and then we're going the wrong way and we'll get all the merchandise, and then that's the scene illuminations for the last time, and then we can move on for that. Okay, so I'll get at you in Epcot and I'll show you around when we get there. So from the TTC to get to the Magic Kingdom, you can get the ferry boat and the monorail. We prefer to get the boat from the Poly, or we get the resort monorail to the Magic Kingdom. We're going to get the monorail just now to Epcot, so we've just walked along to the TTC. It's the quickest route for us, just to walk. It's a 5-minute walk to the TTC, and then just a quick boost on the monorail for there. So we've made it to Epcot, just making my way down to Italy. Do you want to go into the art animation to see if there's anything? I've just gone and see if there's anything quickly. Going to the art animation, just have a wee quick look just the way past. We've got plenty of time. Half an hour? Is that enough? Aye. Cool, we're just going to have a wee look in here for 5 minutes. This is the art animation, art of Disney. I'll show you about. Because we're looking for another print, aren't we? All of that. That's quite cool, isn't it? That's only $95, by the way. Gift card, look, $300 with $90 in gift. So it's like $210 for the thing.
those are the quick service. Yeah, you go up, you get your food, and then you sit down.
Okay. So the fast quick.
There are also bakeries in Norway. Yes.
Cheesy, you seen these? Look at them. These are only $99 as well, not $100.
Yeah, it's like pastries and like.
They're amazing. I'd like to start a collection of them, just getting one a year. Look at this as well.
Alright, so the best way to go is just get all the way.
You're gonna actually go, yeah, you're here basically, so you're gonna go straight, and then you're gonna cross this bridge, and then if you're going to France, you go right.
$150 for that.
So yeah. So we're looking at, so yeah, it's easier to look at it like this, they turn our maps. So yeah, you just walk out, you turn right, you go straight, you keep going straight, keep going straight.
They're ranging between 65 to 80. Look at them, Teresa. Right, I really think we need to start a new collection.
Thank you. Come on.
Good night.
Well, I think you should get that.
Get
Wanting a print, sorry.
what print?
I'm about to choose that look.
Anyway, some of these are amazing. I want to start a new collection.
Pink. About my head.
We've got Stitch, so it was $75. And we've got, I don't see Beauty and the Beast here, do you?
No.
We've got Beauty and the Beast, Belle, and the Beast dancing. You getting that? What you getting? Let's see. Oh, how much is that?
40, I think. $40.
That's lovely. Oh, there's Mary them, Teresa. Teresa. Yeah. Because I don't want to lift it out.
Oh.
They're selling these at the Poly as well. Oh, look, the box Dumbo comes in. Wow.
What are they?
That's nice.
That's what she's getting.
I'm not sure. I want to collect stuff. Please, cheese. I'm not sure. I'm not convinced that I'm not buying one of them yet. Oh, wow. Some of the stuff in here is amazing.
When are you checking out? Next week. Yeah, they won't be there until Sunday morning. But Sunday afternoon, they will. Okay. Are we getting a pass for BBC? Great. It'll be everybody see another card and then.
Oh, look at Toy Story. $45. This is only about more showsies. Pocket pulse, $25.
Dad, get over. Dad.
Went that way, aye. Epcot. It's such a beautiful, beautiful park. They've taken away the fountain and they used to get nice photographs taken here, and it's so different. Club Cool's shut down. Starbucks is no longer there.
You keep walking in front of my boy.
It's so busy tonight. Isn't it? So busy.
We have everybody. Please get me some coverage.
Right. Are you getting any way out? There's that jumper I like. I actually saw that earlier, I thought.
We probably like that.
It's nice. It's so busy tonight, but it smells cracking up. You know that? I don't know, it smells so good. Look how busy this is.
Do you know what it smells like? What is shut?
Can you imagine what it's going to be like on Monday with all the final illuminations? Sorry.
I did. I need to
middle one of here.
That's us just getting to Italy. Tutto italiano. Send them more beer for them. It's not cold in here. No, even I would say it was cold, you know what I mean? So, get a meal. It's part of the dining plan. It's going to be $16. The one I wanted was 18, so they wouldn't let me pay the extra too. Teresa was, hers was 17, they wouldn't let her, so she had to get this one. What a size it! Look at the size of that! Me baby drink! Not a baby drink! This is Via Napoli. So friendly. So I've just ordered, I don't even know what it is. What did we order?
Some creamy Tuesday pasta.
I don't know.
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine or something. It's that kind of creamy sauce. I've ordered it with shrimp. It comes with mushrooms. The girls have ordered it with chicken and no mushroom. She's saying our drinks get bits in it. So I'll show you the meal once it comes out. I'll show you what it's like and I'll let you know how it is after it as well. See you soon. So, as they say on the internet, you must show the internet food. This is us. It's my prawn one. Chicken. This is the bread we got with the oil foil. It's not bad, it's okay, but... So, I'll let you know how it is. That's my meal. So I'll let you know how it is once I'm finished.